If you are looking for a budget-friendly way to achieve clear and glowing skin without splurging on expensive products, then this video is just for you. Today I'm sharing 5 incredible Korean skincare remedies that are not only effective but also super easy to make at home. Each of these remedies has been carefully selected for their proven benefits, and the best part is you won't need any fancy tools for that. Many of you have asked me for simple DIY skincare solutions. So in this video, I'll walk you through each recipe, how to use them and how to store them, and other important details. So stick around till the end. DIY toners for hydration and glow. Let's start with homemade toners. First one is rice water toner. What you have to do, just take some rice and wash them 3 times. On the 4th time, let it soak in water while gently stirring to let it sit at room temperature for around 30 minutes, then strain it. That's it. Your rice toner is ready to use. Apply it as a face rinse or use it as a toner. The fermented rice water is even more nutrient and dense, but some people find its smell little unpleasant. To ferment it, leave the rice water at room temperature for around 24 hours at least, and it will naturally begin to ferment. If you're wondering why fermented rice water is so effective, it's because the fermentation process breaks down the starch and enhances the skin benefiting nutrients, making it even more powerful for brightening and hydration. Pro tip: to get even better results, store the rice water toner in the fridge and apply it cold for a refreshing effect on your skin. Second is the green tea toner, which is ideal for acne and sensitive skin. You have to boil the water and pour it over a green tea bag in a cup. Let it steep for 5 to 10 minutes. Avoid steeping it for too long as excess acidity can develop. Now let it cool completely before transferring it into a mist bottle. Optionally, you can add a little bit of aloe vera gel for some extra hydration. Store DIY toners in the fridge and use them within 5 days since they contain no preservatives. Always conduct a patch test before using any DIY skincare product. Apply a small amount on your forearm, wait 1 to 2 minutes and then monitor for any reactions. If no irritation occurs, it's safe for facial use. Fun fact: green tea is not just great for the skin, it also is rich in antioxidants that fight free radicals, reducing the signs of aging and inflammation. If you drink green tea regularly, you're helping your skin from the inside out. Now let's move to the DIY mask. First is the cucumber mask, which is a natural remedy to soothe your skin. Starting with the cucumber mask, while rice is often highlighted for the skin benefit, did you know that cucumber is also a traditional powerhouse ingredient in Korean beauty? For generations, Korean households have used cucumber slices to calm down the skin and hydrate the irritated skin. All you need for this remedy is some cucumber and aloe vera gel. Take a small piece of cucumber and thoroughly rinse it. Now grate it or finely slice it. Now you have to apply a thin layer of aloe vera gel on your face to ensure that cucumber stays in the place. Now place the slices of cucumber on your skin carefully and relax for 10 to 15 minutes. Packed with hydration and essential nutrients, this mask works wonders for calming down the skin and refreshing it. Once done, simply remove the cucumber slices and follow up with your regular skincare routine. And don't forget to moisturize your skin well. Did you know cucumber has a high water content, almost about 95% of it, which makes it an amazing hydrating ingredient. It also contains silica, which helps to firm and tighten the skin, making it look more youthful. Next remedy is the rice mask, which is a timeless Korean beauty secret. Next up, let's see how to make it and explore this beautiful tradition. Rice masks aren't just another trendy DIY remedy, they have been an essential part of the Korean skincare for centuries. Historically, many dynasties have chosen this rice mask as their skincare as rinse water and lotion. For this mask, you have to take some rice and honey. Take half a cup of rice and place it in a bowl. Common question I get is, can I use any type of rice? So yes, you can use any variety, all will work. As long as you wash it properly. Wash the rice 3 times until the water runs clear. Add 1 cup of water and cook the rice until it reaches a soft and mushy consistency. Allow it to cool down. Here's the secret to maximizing this mask's benefit. Blend the cooked rice until smooth. Add 2 tablespoons of regular water or rose water and 1 tablespoon of honey. Blend everything together and your rice mask is ready to use. It enhances the skin tone as well as it brightens your complexion and deeply moisturizes the skin too. Pro tip, don't leave the mask on for too long as it may dry out your skin instead. 10 to 15 minutes is ideal. Rinse off with lukewarm water and follow it with your regular skincare routine. Always remember to apply the moisturizer after applying any masks. Limit the use of face mask once or twice a week as it may cause drying out effect. So make sure to use these 5 remedies and let me know how was your experience. If I have left any question, do not hesitate to ask me in the comment and I'll try to answer you there. These natural remedies have been cherished for generations and are super simple to incorporate into your routine. Taking care of hair is as important as taking care of your skin. If you are someone who is looking for the hair care remedies, here is the playlist for you. Click on the screen and I'll see you there. Till then, bye bye.